Next time we put magic syrup
Magic syrup.
for
what?
for more flavor.
For what?
Filipino, they put magic syrup for more
What?
flavor.
Where's magic syrup?
Seasoning. Yeah, it's like seasoning.
Bilis mo naman.
Seasoning. Yours is seasoning is social. American. No.
Social na sa...
Mama na ginagamit sa potato pie.
So what is magic syrup? Is it liquid?
No. Just
Solid.
Liquid na.
Di mo
Well,
na
you said
liquid.
syrup. It sounds like liquid.
not syrup.
It's not liquid.
Solid. Ha? Ha?
Mga tiny man to.
Tiny, little.
Sprinkles.
Like spices.
It's not spicy.